Network Entertainment.
Siyempre, isipin na, ba't kami sasali sa JCI Manila? Ano bang mapapala ko?
Yes.
Bilang
magandang
isang
question.
empleyado na nagtatrabaho sa nasa BPO company ako, ba't ako mag-JCI Manila? Bukod sa connections, may yearly fee pa. Sabi mo, it's a leadership organization. They train you to do better, hindi lang sa career, maybe pang sarili rin, sa health, ganyan, kumpleto, di ba? Mga Immortal, welcome to the Underpaid Podcast. I'm your host, Stanley Chi. Ito ang podcast na pro-employee para sa mga Immortal where we talk about work-related topics in a light manner na parang nagkukwentuhan lang tayo sa pantry. In this episode, guest ko pa rin si Jasper Tiongson, host, singer, content creator, JCI Manila na member, full-time member. Kasi pag-uusapan natin, paano ba sumali sa JCI Manila?
JCI Manila kasi, JCI Manila, just to give you a background first, is a leadership organization. So it's already 78 years old. It's the oldest actually in Asia. Kasi JCI is actually an international organization. So Junior Chamber International. So ang mga nangyayari dito, parang more of, para siyang, isipin mo na parang brotherhood. Parang frat, pero walang hazing.
It's like, ganito, para siyang Rotary, pero mga bata
para siyang
kayo.
Rotary. Na mga mas bata kasi hanggang 40 years old lang siya.
Oo. You get connections there.
Connections.
Diba? Sa trabaho, sa business. And then tumutulong din kayo sa kapwa. You have fundraisings, diba? May mga membership fee ba ito every year?
May membership fee kami. Well, for JCI Manila. Hindi ko alam sa iba. Pero malamang meron din.
How much is the yearly membership?
Annual, parang hindi naman masyadong malaki. Less than, siguro mga a little more than 10,000 lang.
Okay,
diba?
yearly ito. And then you have a lot of members. Siyempre,
A lot of
bawat
members.
chapter yan. Sa Manila, may mga ilang members kayo.
Sa Manila ngayon, meron kaming around, I think almost 600 na active members right now.
And then you have members sa Quezon City,
Yes,
may members sa iba-ibang probinsya. So, you have parang gathering ng puro JCI lang.
Meron, oo. So, well, usually, for example, for our mga induction ceremonies, we invite the other chapters also to join us. And speaking of gatherings, we are gonna be creating history this year. Kasi si JCI Manila will be hosting the JCI World Congress. So, from all JCIs all around the world, pupunta sila sa lahat sa Clark Field.
Okay.
Pampanga, dun tayo.
Parang parang lahat ng JCI all over the world.
Congress to. So parang it's gonna be a couple of days of learning. The guests also will be exploring the Philippines, sort of kinda coming from the World Congress. And then may mga parties din at the same time. So it's really about celebrating JCI from all over the world and learning from each other.
Lalaki lang ba pwedeng mag-member ng JCI?
Ang JCI Manila, so an all-male chapter.
All-male to.
Pero meron kami mga all-female chapters, yung sister chapters na tinatawag namin. And then may mga co-ed. Like I think JCI Ortigas is a man and woman kind of thing. So, yun. So, iba-iba yung mga chapters din. From all over the world also, hindi ko alam kung paano. Meron din ganong all-male, all-female, tapos meron din co-ed.
Ang listeners natin, mga empleyado, 24 years old, pataas.
Yeah.
Ang bulk ng listeners natin, 24 to 35 years old.
Pwede.
So, pasok na pasok sa JCI Manila.
Yes.
If you're gonna be telling them, syempre, isipin na, ba't kami sasali sa JCI Manila? Ano bang mapapala ko?
Yes.
Bilang isang empleyado na nagtatrabaho sa nasa BPO company ako, ba't ako mag-JCI Manila? Bukod sa connections, may yearly fee pa. Sabi mo, it's a leadership organization. They train you to do better, hindi lang sa career, maybe pang sarili rin, sa health, ganyan, kumpleto, di ba? Ano yung requirements?
Right. Well, at least for JCI Manila kasi, kailangan you have a sponsor. By sponsor, it is somebody who could somehow vouch for your quality as a person, as
parang
a character.
Parang character reference pag sa trabaho. Parang si HR, tatawagan yung dati mong employer. Totoo bang okay na empleyado si Jasper Tiongson? Totoo bang na-promote siya? Siya yung may hawak ng ganitong Ikaw yung magbe-verify na, totoo po yan.
Medyo ganun. Siyempre, this is also to protect the members.
Para walang parang para lahat kayo matitino, disente.
Yes, so and then say for our chapter kasi iba-iba rin yung how they sift through the new members eh. Sa amin, may interview din, sort of kind of so apart from the orientation, syempre you are told as to what JCI is, what to expect and all. So you're not gonna be joining it blindly also. Alam mo naman kung ano yung pinapasok mo,
Hindi to
diba?
multi-level marketing.
Hindi, walang
Hindi to
bentahan
ganyan,
dito.
di ba? Parang sabihin, ang JCI, tumutulong tayo sa kapwa, we learn from each other, may mga leadership trainings tayo, may mga seminar, may mga ganito tayong events, di ba?
Tama.
And then, yung annual membership ninyo, dito na pupunta yan, di ba?
Oo. So, just to give you an idea, sila Henry C. and the Ayalas also, some of our politicians, some of our leaders, public servants, and many people from different corporations also, even the owners of the corporations are members of JCI Manila or were members of the JCI Manila. So, syempre yun. So, you protect also the prestige that the organization has built through the years because you somehow protect the membership as well, di ba? So, yun. So, criteria pa. So, afternoon kasi, so nasala, may interview. Parang ganyan. Parang ka talaga nag-a-apply sa trabaho.
Parang panel interview yan. Sige, tatlo mag-i-interview sa'yo. Ba't pag gusto mo sumali sa JCI Manila, baka mamaya manchichicks ka lang dito.
Ngayon,
diba?
although pwede rin naman. Pero wag naman yun yung garapalan.
Mamaya maghahanap ka lang ng love life dito, ganyan.
Kasi marami naman kami mga events, mga mixers also, syempre with their sister chapters. Pero yun nga, so habang pumapasok ko muna, huwag mo nang yun yung isipin mo. Pero okay, exciting. Pero sa after ng interview, ang pinaka parang finals mo, parang for us to assess if you could be a part of the organization is you do a project. So, yung project na to, ito nga, could be a social outreach activity or a certain specialized project for the community, mga ganyan. So,
parang
iba.
i-attend events, no? Mga ilang events yan.
Actually, it's more than an event. Of course, you're gonna be attending some events, yung mga general membership meetings natin. Ang pinaka-priority is for you to be able to finish your project. Like before, when I joined, medyo pa-pandemic na nun. So what I did was, or at least kasi medyo meron kang fellow baby JCs yung natawag namin sa mga nag-a-apply. So you're gonna be working with a group and then we have to finish a project. So sa amin was a digital concert fundraiser. So we invited different bands and performers and then we tried to raise money for a certain cause noon back then.
Parang nag-guest ka nun to promote dati.
Parang yata.
Diba?
I think online.
I think you guested before, di ba? May parang inorganize kayong event sa iba-ibang banda. I forgot kung saan lugar yun eh.
Oo. So, well, I think that was Break the Silence Music Festival.
Yun.
So, medyo member na ako na. Hindi yung Baby JC project ko na nag-apply pa lang ako. Pero yeah, that was a nice project again. So, that was raising awareness and funds also for the rape victims naman. So, yun. Ganun yung mga project namin. Iba-iba talaga. Sobrang dami ng projects. So, like JCI Manila Color Fest, Carnival Run is just one of the many activities ng JCI Manila. So when you apply, you're also going to be tasked of creating an activity that will create relevant impact also to the society.
Para makatulong sa mga sa kapwa na eto kasi mga immortal, alam ko yung mga iba dyan nag-office 9 to 5 or 9 to 6 tapos may mga pamilya kayo, may mga ginagawa kayong iba. Ito kasi is a breath of fresh air para naman iba yung gagawin nyo rin.
Tama.
Na hindi kayo nabobore, hindi kayo nababurn out din sa mga ginagawa ninyo. Hindi nagiging routinary yung buhay ninyo.
Yes.
Diba?
Tapos, kasi marami rin kaming mga parties. Ganyan. Pero syempre, mainly, that's why you are entering the organization with a project is we want to remind members or soon-to-be members na ang goal talaga natin dito is to make a difference in the society talaga more than anything.
Okay. May mga natatanggal ba na member?
No? Well, syempre na to, yung mga worst case scenario na to na may nang-aaway ka talaga. Kumbaga, negative impact ka na nga dun sa organization. Parang ganun. Or in terms of character, for example, naging laman ka ng balita and it's confirmed, verified.
O kunyari, parang criminal ka talaga. Tatanggalin ka, di ba?
Tanggal ka. Yan. Kasi kailangan each member has to be of good stature also
good
in the society.
Good moral character, ganyan. Parang parang nagtatrabaho ka talaga. Parang naghanap ka ng nag-apply ka para at least yung mga makikilala mo, alam mo matino pag JCI. And parang din hindi masira yung pangalan nyo.
Exactly.
Pero ba natanggal dahil hindi nagbabayad ng annual dues?
I am not sure of that.
Oo.
Pero may cases, I think, na siguro nakaano lang. Kumaga, nakapause ang membership mo.
Diba, parang
So you
inactive
can't,
siya.
oh,
You can't
inactive ka.
attend the
Yes.
events. You can't
Oo.
join the mga...
You can't vote
Oo,
also.
yan,
Kasi
yan.
meron kaming elections every year. So that is one of the rights na hindi mo pwedeng maklaim yung makaboto ka for
Oo.
the next leadership ng organization.
So para tong Rotary, para tong hindi naman siya parang mason. Kasi pareho naman lahat, tumutulong yan sa kapwa eh.
Exactly. Well, I think the first differential factor is the age. So hanggang 40 years old. For JCM Manila, being an all-male, syempre pang lalaki lang. So yun. So hindi ko alam pa kasi I haven't been a part of Rotary, although nag-host na ako for them for an induction. And mason. So I don't know the nuances yet kung paano siya. Pero personally, based on experience, it's a very supportive community where I grew because you get exposed from different walks of life yung mga magiging brothers mo eh. So para siya talagang you meet a new family also. Kumaga, especially kunyari, solong anak ka. Dito biglang, 600 ako na kapatid.
Ganun.
Parang ganun. And then also, it's nice. It's very humbling kasi syempre yung mga senators namin, the people we call senators or mga associates, sila na yung over 40. But then they also come every so often. So nakakatuwa na you get mentored also by these people. Diba? Like the owner of Lamoyan, si Sen Cecilio, Pedro, will come, just share
to encourage
information.
and to
Oo,
diba?
so talagang nakakatuwa because syempre on a daily basis, wala kang access sa kanila eh. Pero dahil brother mo sila, parang ang dali, nakakausap mo, na para lang kayo magkakapatid.
Pero ito, pwede bang kanyari, uy, brother, baka pwede kang mag-apply sa kumpanya mo. JCI tayo pareho, ganyan.
Pwede naman, syempre. But ang maganda, very pa rin sila. Kumbaga, they will focus on your capacity also.
Kumbaga, ito, alam mo naman
pero
maayos.
you have a foot in.
Oo.
Kasi kumbaga, brother ko to. Kaya, alagaan niya.
Connection din yan.
Natin,
Pero syempre, you do your part din, magtrabaho kayo.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Hindi, masisira ang brotherhood nyo.
yun din ang maganda.
Diba?
Kasi somehow, kumbaga, syempre, ayaw mong mapahiya ka din sa brother mo. So I think it also allows you to improve also as a person. Kasi parang, oops, binigyan ako ng opportunity. Ayoko sayangin. Ayoko masira. So maganda yung may ganong
Nangyayari ba yung, uy brother, kanta ka naman sa party ko?
Ay, oo. Pinag-host ako ng party.
Ganon.
Minsan ba yan? Kasi syempre, alam nila na trabaho ko yun
mo
eh.
Pero
Diba?
minsan,
So meron lang friendly rate ng kahit pa paano na, sige.
basta panggas, pang
hindi, more naman.
More than panggas naman. Pero yun yung sabihin, panggas lang, tsaka pang
Depende kung gaano kaya close.
Pambili ng
Hi, my name is RJ Ledesma. I wear many hats. I wish I had just as many heads. I'm a serial entrepreneur and I'm also an entrepreneur mentor. I'd like to invite all of you to please listen to the RJ Ledesma podcast. On my podcast, I listen to inspiring business leaders and entrepreneurs to learn more about how they think about doing business, what are their success secrets, and how we can replicate them, and more importantly, what business opportunities do they see emerging in the near future for us entrepreneurs. Listen to the RJ Ledesma podcast.
pambili ng suit, ganyan.
Minsan naman, well, syempre we have our JCI Manila events kasi part of why I joined the organization, or mainly actually, kasi nag-guest naman sila sa show ko before. I had an online radio show. Tapos pinopromote nila yung St. Teresa of Calcutta Awards. It's a search, nationwide search for people who are doing humanitarian work for more than 25 years. Sabi ko, interesting yun ha. So parang hinahanap, scour niya yung buong So parang nabuhay sa akin yung student leader. Kung kayo may mga immortal ngayon na student leader, naging active kayo, elementary, high school, nami-miss nyo yung sarili nyo na you are beyond yourself, doing something for the community. Yun ang napagpasali sa akin din sa org na yun. Sa JCI.
Talagang iba ka talaga, Jasper. You're more than just a pretty face.
Naks.
Very talented.
Salamat.
May mapagkawang gawa pa sa sa mga tao. Talagang sobrang kailan gagawing santo.
Canonization. Hindi. Na-enjoy ko lang talaga. Siguro, I think, if we have different motivations in life, sa akin ang motivation ko is to go beyond myself. Siguro kasi I find, given na bata pa lang ako, medyo student leader na tayo, iba yung when you give actually, parang mas nabe-bless ka pa more than what you were parang expecting to receive.
Kasi kumbaga parang pag nagbibigay ka rin, pag nag-share ka rin yung blessing sa'yo, iba rin Kahit sa trabaho, ganyan Kaya, ito sa mga immortal na nakikinig, alam mo marami kayong boss sa salbahe, mga kaopisinang kupal, di ba? Ako, pag nangyayari sa akin yun, hindi ko pinapatulan. Kasi alam ko, what goes around comes around.
Totoo yan.
Hindi nyo kailangan gumawa ng anything na masama. Basta maging nice ka lang. Do your job. Alis ka agad. Hindi nyo na kailangan makipag-mingle kung hindi kailangan. No? Kasi, wala. What's the point? It's it's not worth it. Papatulan mo, wag na. Mag-enjoy na lang kayo sa buhay nyo, di ba? Kasi mga ganyan stressful Join JCI.
Yeah, oo. Better to
kasi,
join JCI.
It's work, pero fulfilling. Tumutulong ka sa tao
Sobra. And along the way also, I think if you have also a very clear mindset and kumbaga your heart is in the right place when you join JCI. Kasi yung iba would think na nag-join yan kasi kailangan niya ng connections or whatever. I mean, it's a good thing to have also. But we really make sure also in the organization na dapat nasa tama yung puso mo. Na it's really to help more than anything. So yun, and it will fall. I mean, for example, ako, kasi nga, mga events din namin internally, parang nag-host din ako for free. O kaya kung ano lang yung mabigay nyo, free naman ako, di ba? Might as well, di ba? So share your talent also to make a difference with the society. Ginagawa ko. So, kumbaga, when your heart is in the right place, be-bless ka rin ng mga fellow members mo na, uy, kunin nyo si uy, parang gano'n. Kasi nakikita nila na, parang you're doing it na you have the right goal also and the right purpose. So, magfo-fall na lang yung help from other people.
Alam mo ako, I'll tell you a story. Sabi mo, member nyo si Cecilio Pedro. I know his son, si Joel Pedro. I don't know if he's a JCI member or ano. We went to China last January. Isang group under Great Wall Motors. Tapos, ako kasi when I do spills, nagjo-joke ako palagi. So, hindi ko alam, nakikinig pala siya. Nakikinig pala yung si Joel.
Yes.
Nakatawa siya sa mga jokes ko. Tapos kasi meron siyang OK Camp Out. It's a camping event.
Okay.
Sabi niya, ikaw kaya mag-host ng camp out na yan? O sige. And natutuwa ako kasi he gave me an opportunity to host sa event nila and to get to know yung mga people sa motoring.
Nakakatuwa. And again, like what we talked about in the other podcast episode, diba? You were lucky. That means, it was a choice also.
You have
because
to be ready.
You worked on yourself and you were ready, diba?
Oo. Tapos,
saka nakikinig siya. So, ibig sabihin, narinig niya, parang uyok ito diba?
Tapos tumutulong sa kapwa. So ako, bukod sa mga ginawa ni Joel nung January, example lang yun. I also help other people. Yung mga nagsisimula, I also give them chance na to join the lineup when we have stand-up comedy shows.
Nice.
Kasi nagsimula rin ako na yung kagaya ninyo, nagsisimula pa lang, wala pang followers, wala pang masyadong break.
Exactly.
Nagbibigay din ako ng break sa iba kasi nga nakita ko yung iba naging nice sa akin yung nagsisimula ako Siyempre ganun din ako dapat.
Tama.
Diba? You pay it forward. Diba?
Exactly. Kumbaga ka lang vessel ka lang. Pinadaanan ka lang ng grace. Bigyan mo rin sa iba.
Huwag kayong may insecure or may inggit sa kapwa ninyo kasi kanya-kanyang tayo kanya-kanyang panahon yan. Kanya-kanyang journey, kanya-kanyang kunyari, sikat ngayon yung kapisina mo, malay mo sa ibang taon, ikaw naman. Kanya-kanyang yan, pag-angat. Exactly. So you have to be happy for the person. Hindi mo kailangan mainggit If you want to do the same thing, edi kailangan gawa mo ng paraan. You want to be good at hosting, gawa mo ng paraan. Mag-host ka, mag-volunteer ka. You learn from other people.
Exactly.
Mag-attend ka ng mga workshops, di ba? Si Jasper, nag-workshop yan ng hosting.
Oo, babalik ka namin soon.
Diba?
Para at least makapag-share pa tayo.
Diba? Parang nakakatuwa kasi you see a lot of people, a lot of faces na talagang gusto nilang ginagawa nila. Passionate sila about it. So whether it's baking, selling stuff online, yung mga kung ano ginagawa, gawin nyo lang. Wala mawawala sa inyo
Totoo yun.
And if you want to join a community that would encourage everyone, yung talagang brotherhood na would support each other, JCI Manila is very open. Basta hanggang 40 years old lang.
Oo. Tapos yung iba actually, there are chances, sabi ko kasi kailangan mo ng sponsor, di ba? That they really knock on JCI Manila's door. As in, hanap sila ng member, uy, JCI ka pala, ganyan-ganyan. Usually, yung iba, nagpapa-endorse mismo. So, kakausapin muna nila yung actual members. Tapos, mag-usap, meet sila or something para makapasok sila. So there are other ways also. Again, if you really want it, if you have the heart for it, then you could find a way. Like you could probably approach me.
Gagawa mo na para i-DM nyo si Jasper. And then, diba, sinasabi natin na you want to join JCI, ganyan. Meron kayong color run. May 31 Sunday sa MOA.
Oo.
Yung mga nasa running era dyan.
Oo, pasok
Diba?
yan, mga immortal. Lalo na kung gusto nyo, mas sumaba pa yung buhay nyo. Diba?
Oo, pero ito yung color run, kahit sino pwede sumali.
Kahit sino to,
Kahit hindi ka member ng JCI.
Yun, pero maganda to get to know more about JCI kasi makakausap mo rin yung mga members doon. Nandun din ako, mag-host din tayo nun. But what's nice about this is while you run, you enjoy it kasi may DJ, may merong mga colorful
para nasa
powders.
carnival, may mga circus, ganyan.
Exactly, kasi JCI Color Fest Carnival Run 2026. Again, May 31 yan, SM Mall of Asia grounds. Tapos ang maganda pa nito, tumakbo ka na, nakatulong ka pa.
Naging healthy ka pa.
Oo, tama. Kasi for mental health to So we are working on building from ground up a wellness center for the Philippine Mental Health Association para naman mas marami pang matulungan, di ba? Siyempre, lalo na ngayon, mental health, buti na pag-uusapan na siya kasi before sa atin, di ba, parang
dati, pag sinabi mental
Hindi,
health, anong mental health? Dati ganun eh.
Oo,
Ngayon,
ano lang yan.
meron
Ligo
ng
ka lang. Ligo mo lang yan. Naiisip-isip mo na yan.
Tinutulog lang dapat yan. Hindi ganun. Ang mental health dapat pinagtutuan na ng pansin yan. And thank you sa JCI Manila. Tapos ginagawa nila ng paraan para makatulong sa kapwa. Join the Color Run. Ako, sinasabi ko ngayon pa lang, I'll be joining the Color Run. Magte 10K ako doon. Ang sabi ng coach sa akin, ni Coach Francis Pareñas,
Uy, coach.
mag-sub 1 daw ako.
Yeah.
So sana umaasa ako sana may chip na
I think meron.
para I can see the results online. Kasi pag-aasa ako sa relo ko, medyo
Totoo, baka
iba pa rin yung may chip na
saka nakafocus ka lang sa running mo.
tatakbo na lang ako. Pero I'll see you guys sa May 31. Color Run.
Para sa lahat to,
PCI,
so again, if you're just beginning, you would just like to get the feel of running, merong 1K. Napakamaikli
May
lang
1K?
yan. May 1K. Kasi nga
talaga?
fun run lang eh.
Ay, pang
Iba
pamilya
kasi parang siguro iba walking lang, picture lang.
Iba pa kasi
ganda
serious
ng mga,
eh.
So walang dito, walang makakancel kung hindi kayo tumakbo na mabilis, okay lang yan, di ba? 1K, 3K, 5K, 10K, may 21K kung medyo sorry-sorry talaga yung gusto nyo. Pwede yan. Tapos may party right after. So may DJ tayo, music and all that.
Sino mga sponsors
For good
nyo?
cause. So far, we have a couple of brands like TKL Steel Corporation, Unisilver, amongst many others. We have a lot of media partners also.
Unisilver
helping us
watch
out.
or Unisilver the bracelets?
I think watch kasi
yeah,
they are also parang creating a special watch naman for JCI World Congress. Yan, meron
okay.
din. So, yun. Tapos marami pang iba. Mga media partners tayo, maraming salamat. Like your show, maraming salamat for allowing us to promote. Marami namin kami napuntahan din. Iba mga show, tsaka may mga pa-billboard din, ganyan na, libre lahat. Kasi nakakatuwa. Everybody's working together as CSR partners. So, kumbaga, andun lang to help out. Kasi syempre, they also support the cause. And alam naman nila na NGO to.
Yun. So, if you want to follow Jasper Tiongson, he has a Spotify. May bago siyang single. And he's on social media. Ano yung Spotify mo tsaka social media
Spotify
accounts?
is Jasper Tiongson. You could already listen, download, maybe utilize on your reels and other content. Hello Universe, yun ang title na aking first single. And then I'll be coming up with a brand new album under Star Music. Wala pa, syempre, the marketing is still on the works. So we're going to be releasing that around May or June. So watch out po and follow me on my socials at Jasper Tiongson. That's JAZPRTIONGSON. So across all na yan. So just look for me over there and hopefully we could continue on improving each other and of course just spreading the good vibes and sharing the love with the content that I get to share with you also.
Ayun. Like and subscribe to the Underpaid Podcast on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. We also have video podcast sa Spotify tsaka sa YouTube channel ng The Pod Network Entertainment. Please follow me sa social media, Stanley Chi. Search nyo na lang. Tsaka Suplado Motors. That's my motoring channel. And my co-host is Ardelos Reyes. Nasa LinkedIn. Follow her. Tsaka please, Spoofs, maraming salamat. I have a collaboration with Spoofs. 3 designs yan sa ngayon. Suplado man. Tapos yung isa, ingat ka, tanga ka pa naman. Tsaka yung i-google mo gago. So it's available on Shopee, Lazada, tsaka sa mall ng Santa Lucia and Ayala, Manila Bay yata. No, I'm not sure. Pero Spoofs, it's available online. Maraming salamat. Okay? So Jasper, maraming salamat for guesting.
Stanley, always. Maraming salamat.
Pare. Next year ulit, pagka may event ka, basta i-promote mo lang din sa Underpaid yan. Kasi welcome na welcome ka dito sa mga immortal na listeners natin.
Salamat po.
So for Jasper Tiongson, I'm your host Stanley Chi. This is the Underpaid Podcast.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.